Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you how we make good bread in my home country, Morocco. We're gonna make two versions. First one is the healthy kind with whole wheat flour and grains. Second one is with extra fine semolina, a little healthier than white bread, but it is the same in texture. Both breads are between flat bread and big European bread and baked in the oven. Bread is important in Moroccan cuisine as we eat it with tagines and many other dishes, but also at breakfast with cheese, butter, jam, or olive oil. So without explaining things further, let's jump into the recipe. As always, you're gonna find the ingredient details in the description box below. So first we're gonna need the whole wheat flour. We're gonna add the yeast and the sugar, the salt, some sesame seeds, some black cumin seeds, some anise seeds, and obviously if you don't have all these grains you can do without it, and finally some flax seeds. We're gonna add some olive oil, and finally we're gonna add some warm water to make a dough. The dough should be sticky like that, so you're gonna have the fluffiest bread ever. We're gonna put the dough in a bowl, cover it and let it rise for about an hour. For the second bread, we're gonna mix some extra fine semolina with the yeast, the sugar and the salt. And we're gonna add some vegetable oil or some olive oil as you wish. And we're gonna pour some warm water to make the dough. This dough will not need to be sticky, but it needs a lot of kneading. This dough, we're gonna put it also in a bowl and cover it and let it rise until it doubles in volume. We're gonna take the first dough into a floured surface and we're gonna work it a little bit. Then we're gonna form it into small parts. So we're gonna need some whole wheat flour to form the circles. And we're gonna make the bread as you see. Moroccan bread is a little bit flat, but don't flatten it that much. Then we're gonna put them into a baking sheet and let it rise for a little bit and decorate it as you see and put it into an oven preheated to 200 degrees. For the second dough, we're gonna do the same thing as the first one, but we're gonna knead it into some extra fine semolina. Then we're gonna cut it into small equal parts. Work it as you see into the extra fine semolina. Then we're gonna take some semolina that's a little bit bigger in size and we're gonna work it on, so it's gonna create that lovely crust. And as the first bread, we're gonna let it rise and then put it into the oven. You're done. This is how our breads looks like when they came from the oven. You can eat them right away or even after 2 or 3 days. The bread gonna stay soft if you put it in a clean kitchen cloth inside the oven. That should be off for sure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the content so I can make more videos for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!